Introducing the latest in inversion comfort. The Innova Fitness ITM4800 Advanced Heat and Massage Inversion Table. The ITM4800 is an inversion table that comes with a massage pad and other new features for the most comfortable inversion. It has an advanced lumbar pad that has both heat and massage. It can be adjusted for isolated heat and massage therapy, as well as many manual settings for a more complete massage treatment as well as inversion experience. The ITM4800 uses a unique and convenient angle slot pin system that comes with a protective cover. To adjust, simply return to the original position and move the pin. The slot system has 6 inversion settings to accommodate all users. It has a thick backrest pad for maximum relaxation and an extra headrest pillow. The ITM4800 height adjustment tube can handle users from 4'10" to 6'6". On top of that, it can adjust the headrest and the footrest. These unique features allow you to fine-tune the ITM4800 to your exact center of gravity for the smoothest inversion experience. This adjustable headrest pad and pillow can fully support your head while inverted. It also has an ergonomic ankle holding system designed to adapt to the shape of your feet and alleviate the pressures on the ankles while inverting. The ITM4800's heavy-duty frame uses strong 38mm square tubes that can handle body weight up to 300 pounds. It provides easy-to-use back stretching and muscle relief. With everything it can do, the ITM4800 is sure to provide a soothing inversion experience.